Hi friends, I'm Rachna Chandla. In the previous lesson, we have learnt about short and long vowel sounds in British English. And today, we are going to talk about word stress in English language. So let's start with word stress. Word stress plays an important role in correct pronunciation of English words. In order to understand word stress, it helps to understand syllables. So now, let's see what are syllables. A syllable is a unit of sound made from a single vowel or single vowel and consonant combination. Every word is made from syllables. Each word has 1, 2, 3 or more syllables. Here are some examples of number of syllables in each word. Dog, green, quiet. In these three words, the number of syllables are 1, as the sound that you can hear is just 1. Dog, green, quiet. In the next set of words, quiet, orange, table, let's see how many syllables does these words have. When we speak these words, it or inch, table, we can clearly see that these words can be broken into two. Hence, these have two syllables. Now let's see the word expensive. Expensive. There are three separate sounds and this word can be broken up into three. Hence, this word has three syllables. Now, let's see the other two words. Interesting, realistic. When we break these words, interesting, realistic. Both these words can be broken up into four and have four separate sounds. Hence, both these words have four syllables. And lastly, unexceptional. When we break this word, unexceptional, it can be broken up into 5 parts. Hence, this word has 5 syllables. Syllables break our words up into sections, which can be stressed or unstressed. Which syllable is stressed alters the pronunciation of the word. Let's say the following words aloud while stressing the first syllable. Doctor, Friday, over, mistake, purple. In all these words, as you can see, the first syllable is stressed. In doctor, it's doc. In Friday, it's fry. In over, it's o. In mistake, it's miss. In purple, it's per. Here are some examples of stress in words which helps in the correct pronunciation. And note, the stress syllables are in capital letters. Photograph, photography, photographic. Listen carefully to the stressed sound. Pencil, committee, volunteer, Maryland, society, information. Importance of word stress. English is a stressed language. Word stress plays a very important role in English speaking. it is not just optional for English language, but a very essential and important part of the language. Word stress helps English speakers to communicate accurately and fluently. For example, even if one do not hear a word clearly, but one can still understand the word because of where the stress is placed in the word. As we have already practiced in the previous slides, that if one uses word stress in his or her speech, one can really improve his or her pronunciation and comprehension. So, the crux of the matter is some rules of word stress in spoken English. There are two very simple rules to go by. First, one word has only one stress. For example, present, table. And second, we can only stress vowels and not consonants. For example, happy, clever, China, above. In happy, it's the A vowel. Hence, the first part of the word is stressed, which contains the vowel. In clever, it is the vowel E. Clever. In China, it is the vowel I. China. And in above, it is the vowel O, which is stressed. So we have seen in this lesson how word stress is essential in the correct pronunciation of English words. Thank you.